Home testing kit. Ready-to-use aquarium test strips for your convenience. Tests ammonia levels in your aquarium, catches and prevents invisible water problems and keeps your fish safe. Accurate and fast results. Ammonia test strips come with a detailed color chart, detect low levels of ammonia, help prevent any invisible water problems and keep your fish safe, ideal for all lifestyle stages. Easy to use. Simply repeat dipping the aquarium test strip in water for 30 seconds, and compare with color chart for instant and reliable results. Use multiple times a week for new aquariums and weekly or when problems arise for mature aquariums. Shelf life. 100 testing strips in total. 50 strips packed in a bottle and 50 strips in a storage bag for prolonged shelf life, so you can test your aquarium water quality at regular intervals and don't have to rush using all 100 strips. Multiple uses. Can be used to test freshwater and saltwater aquariums, fish ponds and fish bowls and fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. Quick, accurate results and a great value for money. I have 2 fish tanks in my house, one large tank with a somewhat heavy bioload and a smaller betta tank. Due to the high bioload in my main tank, keeping a close eye on water parameters is quite important for the well-being of my fish. This includes monitoring nitrates, nitrites, pH, chlorine as well as ammonia. I have actually tested and reviewed the same brands, SJ Wave, 6-in-1 aquarium test strips as well, and actually quite satisfied with the test results I got from them, as they matched pretty much with what my local Petco told from the same water sample using more expensive test kits. This test kit actually represents a great value for money, as you get a 100 test strips, 50 of which are sealed for long-term storage, for much less than what a similar API test kit would cost. I did not face any issues of bleeding colors or falling pads when used as directed. One thing I recommend, and it's mentioned in the instructions as well, is that try to avoid dipping the test strip directly into your tank, especially if you have sensitive fish. Instead, take some tank water in a clean container test tube to test it, as the chemical used in the strips can upset sensitive fish. I got quick and thankfully good results, approximately 0.5 ppm, for both my tanks. Just as a test to determine the accuracy of these strips, I dipped them into something that I knew for sure has a lot of ammonia, a glass cleaner. And as expected, the strips quickly turned to their highest ammonia color, blue, which indicates greater than 6 ppm of ammonia in the glass cleaner. Overall, these are great value for money test strips that I would not hesitate recommending to you, as they are cheap, accurate and plentiful.